What if the real reason some people in their 70s move with the energy of someone in their 40s has nothing to do with genetics, expensive supplements, or miracle treatments, but instead comes down to just a few movements? Their bodies never stopped practicing. Just pause and think about that for a second, because most people believe aging is something that simply happens to us, like gravity, like the passing of time. Year after year, the number increases, and the body slowly fades. That's the common story. But when scientists look closely at the human body, they see something far more fascinating. In other words, aging is not only about years passing, it is also about signals. Signals that tell your body whether to slow down or stay resilient. Your body is constantly asking a quiet question. Do we still need this strength? If the answer is yes, your body keeps building. If the answer is no, your body slowly lets it fade. And today, we're focusing on 3 of the most powerful ones. Not complicated gym tricks. Just movements the human body was designed to perform. The first movement is the squat. This is the fundamental motion of sitting down and standing. Back up. It looks simple, but biologically, it's one of the most important strength signals your body can receive. The largest muscles in your body activate the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. These muscles influence metabolism, bone density, and hormone regulation. Research often referenced by the American College of Sports Medicine shows that strengthening large lower body muscles helps protect against sarcopenia, the gradual muscle loss that often accelerates after the age of 50. But here's the practical reality. Standing up from a chair, getting off the couch, or rising from the floor all require the same strength pattern as a squat. So every time you perform this movement, your body receives a clear message. Strength is still needed. For this exercise, try 10 to 12 squats in one set, moving slowly and with control. Rest for a moment, then repeat for 2 to 3 sets. No rush, just steady movement. The second movement is the glute bridge. Now this exercise might appear gentle, but the science behind it is powerful. You lie on your back, bend your knees, keep your feet on the floor, and slowly lift your hips upward. This movement activates the gluteal muscles and the posterior chain, the group of muscles that support the spine and stabilize the hips. Many researchers studying back pain point to weak glutes as a common hidden problem. When these muscles are inactive, the lower back often carries too much stress. Strengthening the glutes restores balance to the body's support system. Studies discussed in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy show that stronger glutes improve hip stability and help reduce pressure on the lower spine. For this movement, lift your hips slowly and hold the position for 2 seconds at the top. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions and repeat for 2 or 3 sets. Focus on control, not speed. The third movement is the push-up, and this one is far more than just an upper body. Exercise a push-up turns your entire body into a connected structure. The chest pushes, the shoulders stabilize, the arms generate force, and the core keeps the spine aligned. Multiple systems cooperate at once. Researchers studying long-term health have found strong connections between upper body strength and cardiovascular health. A well-known observation published in JAMA Network Open showed that individuals capable of performing more push-ups often displayed lower markers associated with heart disease risk. Why? Because push-ups challenge the body as a complete system, muscles, lungs, heart, and nervous system working together. If floor push-ups feel difficult, they can easily be modified against a wall or on a sturdy bench. Start with 8 to 10 push-ups per set and aim for 2 or 3 sets. The goal is controlled movement and steady breathing. Now take a moment and notice something interesting. These 3 exercises, squats, glute bridges, and push-ups, require no expensive equipment, no complicated machines, just your body and gravity. Yet together, they activate the largest muscle groups in the body, strengthen the spine and hips, improve posture, stimulate metabolism, and reinforce coordination between brain and muscles. This is what scientists sometimes call functional strength, the kind of strength that supports real life, standing up easily, climbing stairs, confidently, carrying groceries, getting up from the floor. These everyday abilities are often the true markers of healthy aging. And the body adapts to whatever signals it receives most often. If life becomes completely sedentary, the body slowly interprets that as a message to conserve energy and reduce muscle tissue. But when movement returns, even simple movements, the message changes. Stay ready. Stay capable. Stay strong. So here's something I want you to do right now. Don't just watch this video and move on. I'd love for you to share your commitment in the comments below and let us know you're taking action toward a stronger, healthier you. Hit the like button so this video reaches more people who want to stay healthy after 50, and subscribe to the channel for more science-based insights about strength, mobility, and long-term health. Because the truth is simple. Your body is always listening to the signals you send, and sometimes 3 simple movements are enough to remind it to stay young.